Okay guys, so here is my little Dollar Tree stuff. Look. So I always like to get these. I like to hang these on gifts or like little decor pieces I do around the house. So if you see these little wooden things, do pick them up if you're a crafter because they are super cute. They're little wooden. Love these. Also, I found, look at that, a little wooden truck with the Christmas tree. I was like, when I seen this, I was like, I got big plans for you. Big plans for you. Super cute. And of course, these cute little gnomes. Oh, you can't really see him because of the light, but he's super cute. And I didn't get a bunch because I do know that I have a lot of Christmas stuff, and I wanted to see what I had before I bought a lot. But some things that I thought were just super cute that I had to have, and this was the Merry and Bright wooden cutout sign design, DIY sign. It's super cute. I think we can put this on a lot of little things that we can make in our upcoming DIYs. This was super cute, and this is actually surprising. This is quite heavy. I thought we could paint this, we could put stuff over it. Let me turn it the right way. But this is a super cute little sign as well. It's got a little deer on the end, very farmhousey, very in this season, I feel. So I was loving that. I also picked up some calendars because I was looking at these, and my Dollar Trees, I was never able to find that perfect farmhouse one. Like, I think that as soon as they hit, people were just buying multiples. But I seen this one and I thought we could definitely make some pictures out of this calendar for Christmas, because that is very farmhousey, very in this season, I feel. Oh goodness. I was like, oh, that's a perfect picture for December. Also picked up the other one. This one also has a really, really cute pumpkin that you could do now, actually. You could cut this one out, frame it, and like a frame would be super cute right now to set up like on a shelf in a bathroom, in your living room. It's a cheap thing that you could just put up, but that is for fall as well. I thought that was cute, but like I said, I never was able to find the actual farmhouse ones. I think people around here just bought them up. I was lucky to find those. I felt this one, this super cute gift bag. I was like, we could make a frame picture out of it, but then I saw the calendar and I was like, no, this would be super cute just sitting under the tree as a gift. But I really saw this gift bag and was like, that's very me. They also had these little guys, little wooden, this is a snow globe. They also had a Santa, and I got because I love snowmen. So, and I actually probably will not even paint this. I'll probably set him up. This one we're gonna do something DIY with, which you can set this up too. It's super cute. I picked up 2 of these little frames again, because I like to put little notes on them and set them around. Like, we could put Merry Christmas, whatever you want to put on them. I think these are super cute. Little dinner, well, I don't know if we can do dinners this year. Well, in our state it's like 10 or under, so you could maybe put a name tag on it if you're having Christmas dinner, Thanksgiving dinner, whatnot. So what I was excited when I seen these are these large, they're pretty large size, like a 8x8, I want to say, frame, and that would be perfect to put our calendar pictures in, to paint over. We can put a saying on it, we can change the saying, or we can leave the saying. I like that the back is easy to pop off, so it's easy to do and not have to like tear it apart. I thought that was really easy. This one says grow where you are planted, which I think is super cute as it is, but I will change that one. And I picked up 2 of those. This one says gather here with grateful hearts, which is, I think would be super cute to set up at Thanksgiving, fall, as it is, but I will change it because that's just what I do. And then I saw these again with the thing, and if you remember, we did the Jack Skeleton with this one. These are the blonde ones, so I got 2 more of these. These I think are gonna be super cute. I like this one. This one says you are meant for big things. I think this is perfect for like Easter, spring, to leave this maybe as it is. This one, like I said, I picked up two. I'll probably put something in my bathroom on that little shelf, that tiered thing that I struggle with. So I'll probably put something in that one. Another thing that I wanted to show you all, and I put it up somewhere and I can't find them, but is Walmart. Guys, do not be sleeping on Walmart this season. They have got some really cute ornaments and stuff already out. I got my daughter two of the cutest cupcake and llama for her Christmas tree, and unfortunately I put them up somewhere and don't know where I put them, so that's where we're at with that, and hopefully I'm not the only person to do it. But they did have a lot of farmhouse stuff. I picked up two of these. This is the wooden ball garland. It is 12 feet long. So I got two of this, and this was $6. I was super excited. So like I said, do not sleep on Walmart this year, you guys. They have got some really, I mean, the cutest stuff there. So check out Wally World on that one. So that was a quick haul. I just wanted to make sure that you all, if you all seen these, go ahead and pick these up, because I don't know about your Dollar Trees, but my Dollar Trees, once they're gone, they're gone. Like, you never see it again. Like, they never come back. They don't restock them. So I don't know how other Dollar Trees, but all the ones in my area on the Gulf Coast just do not. So I hope you all enjoyed this super quick haul. So hopefully you all can see this, and you can pick it up and we can craft together. And yeah, so that's it, guys. Have a wonderful day. Positive thoughts, positive vibes. See you later. Bye.